Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable the helmet visibility on Dune Awakening. To do it, you should go to the settings. Now in gameplay, you'll see show helmet, and if you set it to no, then if you see the game from the first person point of view, then you won't see the helmet around the screen, which for some may be a bit distracting. That's why you can disable it. Remember to apply the change clicking on the button down below or clicking on the enter key on your keyboard. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.